In just 5 minutes, you could be discovering a powerful scalping strategy using the 5-minute time frame. Hello. This approach works not only for forex but also for various assets like gold, xauusd, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and more. Stick around. If you're excited to take your trading to the next level, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing. Let's start. In TradingView, go to the Search Indicator tab and type in CCI Colored Candles Bar Histogram. Choose the version by stocks and add it to your chart. This indicator will help guide you by signaling when to enter or exit trades. Now, let's adjust the settings. Go to the Input tab. Change the CCI length to 65. Next, move to the Style tab and follow along as I make some tweaks to improve visibility. Once you're finished, click OK to save these settings. The CCI Colored Candles Bar Histogram will now indicate trends with changing colors. When the bar changes from red to green, it signals a buying opportunity. Conversely, if the bar changes from green to red, it signals a selling opportunity. Next, we'll add the intraday buy-sell indicator. Head back to the Indicator Search tab, type intraday buy-sell, and select the version by NIX 108. Now, adjust the settings as follows. Go to the Input tab and change the SMA length to 60. Then, in the Style tab, uncheck the Buy and Sell boxes for clearer visualization. Set Reversal 1 and Reversal 2 colors to white for easy recognition. Once done, click OK to save the changes. This indicator will help us identify potential reversals. If a reversal icon appears below the candlestick, it signals a potential shift from bearish to bullish, ideal for buying. If the reversal icon appears above the candlestick, it indicates a potential shift from bullish to bearish, ideal for selling. With these indicators set up, let's go over how to place buy and sell orders using this strategy. Here's how to use the indicators for a buy setup. Start by looking for a reversal sign below the candlestick from the intraday buy-sell indicator. This signals a potential shift to a bullish trend. Then, wait for the CI Colored Candles histogram to change from red to green, giving a buy signal for confirmation. Check if the current candlestick breaks above or closes above the moving average line from the intraday buy-sell indicator. This confirms upward momentum. Finally, make sure the formed candlestick is a bullish one. If all these conditions align, place a buy order once the bullish candlestick has closed. Set your stop loss at the most recent swing low to manage risk. For a take profit, use a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Here's the setup for a sell order. First, look for a reversal sign above the candlestick from the intraday buy-sell indicator, signaling a potential bearish reversal. Wait for the CCI Colored Candles histogram to change from green to red for a sell signal. Check that the current candlestick breaks below or closes below the moving average line, confirming a downward trend. Lastly, ensure that the candlestick is bearish. Once these conditions are met, place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the most recent swing high. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio for your take profit, helping you optimize your gains while controlling your losses. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading strategies and tips. That's all for now. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.